Jesus. How long have you been there? Oh, right, you probably can't answer me. It's been a while since I've been in whatever this is. Although nothing interesting has happened since the last time you were here, but hang on. Oh, shit, that was the first time. It's a friend of mine. Laura! How's it going?
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. Why?
Outside the bar last night? Those two guys?
Oh, yeah. Those two guys. Last night. What happened last night?
Think you're funny? Huh? Huh? Talking to my girl like that?
Hey, fuck you. I'm hilarious.
Yeah, those two guys. You flirted with one of their girlfriends or something. What happened? How'd you get out of there?
Oh, I just,
How was I supposed to know? If I see you talking to her again, you're fucking dead! Oh, of course. Be sure to tag her next time so I know for sure. Sounds like he needs another lesson.
oh, we just talked it out.
So, you made it home okay?
Yep, no other problems. Definitely not.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yeah, why?
You're acting kinda strange.
What? No. Made it home in one piece, just like I said.
So, that's it? You talked it out and just left? Nothing else went on?
Yep, that's it. Unless. Wait! Oh.
Ross!
Oh. Yeah? It's me.
Are you okay?
I made a mistake.
What's happening?
I'm not good with flashbacks.
What is going on?
Okay. You remember that thing I told you about?
That one thing? Yeah, you talk about that thing all the time.
Yeah. Sorry. The movie thing. You know, the movie thing that happens sometimes?
You mean when you watch movies? Yeah, you do that all the time.
No, like, I'm in a movie, but I'm, like, aware of it. I told you about this, remember?
Yeah, vaguely. But you were really drunk.
Yes, I was. But that doesn't mean I was lying. It just happens sometimes, and I don't know why or how, but...
Are you still drunk?
No, I swear to God, I'm 100% sober right now. Don't roll your eyes at me. I'm being serious.
What?
I'm trying to tell you the truth, and...
How did you... Wait. Can you see me?
Yes. Wait. Yeah, I can.
How can you...
What else can I do?
Where are you? Are you in my window? Are you in my apartment?
No, I'm in my apartment.
Do you have cameras in my apartment?
Of course not. Well, I guess, technically.
Technically?
Look, it's the movie thing. Whoa. You don't need that.
Where are you?
I'm in my... Look, I can explain.
You'd better!
I'll be there in a sec, okay? Just hang on. Okay, let's try something. Maybe spin the camera around a couple times? Whoa!
Ah!
It's me. Just take it easy.
How the fuck did you get in here?
It's the movie thing. I told you about this.
I don't understand.
How else could I have gotten in here?
You just...
Appeared? Wasn't here a second ago.
Yeah.
See? Movie. I used one of the scene transitions to just, like, spin the camera around.
Shut up! Just give me a second. I'm...
Alright. Just take it easy. Just give me a minute to explain, okay? Okay, cool. Did you have breakfast yet? I can make breakfast. Would you put the knife down then?
You're gonna make breakfast? Right now?
Yeah. And it'll be super easy. I can toast up some bread, throw some butter on a pan, Make a few eggs, salt and pepper it to taste, of course. Flip them over easy. Maybe throw some cheese on there, then put it all between the bread. It's nice, it's quick, and like I said, super easy. Sound good? Great, just give me a few minutes, I'll get everything together, and we'll just... Holy
Oh my
shit.
god!
Hey, you mind cutting that in half? Kinda haven't eaten yet. Okay, I'll do it. Thanks.
So, you were actually telling the truth?
Told you. Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in.
And this has happened to you before?
A few times. It was weird at first.
At first.
Okay, it's still kind of weird. But, here we are.
Have you put any thought into this whatsoever?
Of course. There's still things I can do that I'm still figuring out. And who knows what else.
No, I mean, have you thought about what this means at all?
Yeah, this is really cool, and I'm gonna have fun with it.
But beyond that, if your life's a movie, then how do you know your whole life hasn't been set out for you? If your life's a movie, then who's writing it?
Well, that's...
Is there even a script?
Okay, that's a little ridiculous.
Is it?
Where would it even be?
I don't know. Wouldn't they have it on set? How did you do that?
I don't know. It was a lot easier than I expected. Tear down this wall. God, that's awful.
I don't know. I kind of like it.
Really? I feel like the writer could have picked something better.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't know. I just feel like the writer could have picked something a little less pretentious.
What the hell is that supposed to mean? Are you a movie critic all of a sudden?
I'm not bashing you for liking it. I'm just saying it's kind of stupid.
Well, then let's see you think of something better, asshole.
Whoa! Why are you so defensive all of a sudden?
Because I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe we shouldn't be messing with this.
Probably not. Gonna do it anyway.
Ross, I really don't think this
is a good idea. I don't know. Seems fine to me.
Did
You find the page we're on
page?
right now? Yep. Everything is playing out right here. Right now you're going to... Lara covers her mouth in shock. See? Holy shit, this is amazing. Lara grabs...
Give me that!
Oh, be careful with that.
Yeah, just stop that!
Right, sorry. So, what are we doing with it?
I don't even know where to begin. Does having this even make a difference?
A difference how?
Like, if we were to experiment.
Experiment? Whoa, hold on.
Do you trust me?
What are you doing?
Ross, what's 2 + 2?
I'm an incredible asshole sometimes. I don't think we should be messing with this thing.
Holy shit. This is everything.
Yeah, so let's just stick to the tricks with like the editing and time and whatever other general fuckery I can think of.
What about the script?
What about the script? I guess I'll hold on to it.
Do you really trust yourself with that?
What? You think I'll do something stupid? Okay, I probably will.
Definitely.
Definitely. So, what? You'll hold on to it?
I mean, if you don't mind.
After that shit?
I'm sorry. I didn't even think it would work.
You know now.
Ross, this is by far the most fascinating thing I've ever come across. I'm not going to mess with it any more than I already have.
I don't know.
Can I at least look at it? You can watch. I won't do anything, I promise. Thank you.
So, you're just gonna read through that?
Yeah. This explains what was with you during that phone call.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No worries. I'll just try to see what the hell's going on, I guess.
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna go lay down and try to process all this if you don't mind.
Sure. Couch is yours.
Thanks. And hey,
No spoilers! Hey, Ross?
Yeah.
What happens when this is all over?
What?
The movie, the script. When it's over, what happens?
I don't know. I guess I go back to my regular life. Maybe we all do.
Are there gaps in your memory between when this has all happened?
Not really. I remember everything. Family, friends, full life, all that shit. I never really thought about it, but the fact that I'm here and perfectly happy says a lot. I never really thought about it.
But I mean, do we know that for sure? It's clear we're not in any type of objective reality right now, but what if in between the moments like these we're in some sort of subjective reality? Maybe that's a little much, but maybe that's it. What if our only purpose is to just entertain and enlighten some fake audience in a way that we were never supposed to even comprehend? Or maybe we were. Are our memories even real, or are they just fabrications to bridge the gaps, to hold us in place for just the right time? What if when this is all over, we just cease to exist? Because our experiences are just memories that don't mean anything. There's so much to think about. I'm sorry.
No, that's really interesting, everything you've just said.
Yeah, don't listen to me. I'm just thinking out loud, you know? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Totally, definitely. Hey, listen, maybe you should,
Yeah, I'll hold on to this.
Great. I'm gonna go.
Ross?
Yeah?
Look, I'm sorry about that. I guess I get lost in thought sometimes.
No, it's fine. Really.
No, listen. I know existentialism can hit pretty hard.
Nope. Just fine.
It's normal, okay? The worst thing you can do is just don't do anything stupid.
Yeah, don't do anything stupid. You got it.
Okay. I'll let you know if I find anything out.
Great. Thanks. See ya.
Don't do anything stupid!
You got it. This is fine. This is fine. let's try something. Here's what really happened last night.
Hi, I'm very sorry. Talk to someone else.
Okay, she's off limits. That kind of ruined my night tonight. Last night. Doesn't mean I can't try again. I can do this as many times as I want. Might as well enjoy myself, right? Excuse me, can I buy you a drink? Did I bring someone home last night? Holy shit. I'm gonna keep this going.
Hi, can I buy you a drink?
Nice.
Hi, can I buy you a drink? Can I buy you a drink? Can I buy you a drink?
Can I buy you a drink?
Let me buy you a drink. Hi, can I buy you a drink?
Whoa, that was pretty cool.
Can I buy you a drink?
What the hell are you doing?
How did...
Whatever that just was, I don't even know. What was that?
You felt all of that?
What stupid shit did you do?
I don't know, but my back kind of hurts though. But I'm in a good mood, so I don't know, figure.
I told you not to do stupid shit.
How are you even here?
I came to the bar with you. We were going to wingman each other, remember?
No, I mean, how do you remember everything? All this that's happening.
I actually don't. Oh no.
Huh. How about that?
I don't get it. I was in my apartment and then I was back here and I just like keep jumping back and forth.
I don't know, I guess all that stuff doesn't affect you. You have the script.
This is too risky. I need to get this out of here.
Hey. You're responsible enough, okay? Just tell me. Did you meet anyone tonight?
No. But you got your ass beat and dragged by those guys. Did you know they're actually mobsters? It says it here in the script. You're lucky they didn't kill you.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Look, we can do whatever we want. Why not do tonight the right way?
You're not thinking.
Come on, tell me. Isn't there anyone here that you'd like to talk to?
Ross. I don't know. That guy's pretty cute.
That guy in the corner?
Yeah.
Great.
Now, this is right around the time where that guy asked to buy her a drink.
What are you doing?
Excuse me, can I buy you a drink?
Yeah. Can you just give me a minute, actually? I'll meet you at the bar.
Good thing. That next great, right?
Look, just don't be an idiot, okay? If you're not careful, you'll get yourself into something you can't get out of.
Oh, come on. What's the worst that can happen?
Sugar beans.
Ouch. Look, I can do stupid things. I'll be the first to admit it. But I can do whatever I want now. There's no situation I can't get myself out of. The real challenge is finding something I can't do at this point. And you know what? Life's just too damn short. This is right around the time where they had to step out and take an important phone call.
Having fun?
If only.
Been together long?
Not really. But he seemed nice enough, and he's kind of an asshole. And then we ran into his friend on the way here, and, well,
Kinda seems like he's on a date with him.
yeah, something like that.
So, he's with him. She's with you.
Depends. Maybe the next nice gentleman to buy me a drink?
You don't say. How about these?
How did you do that?
You wanna go someplace nicer? Explain it all there.
Sounds good to me. I'm Roxy, by the way. What's your name?
I'm Ross. Cheers.
See you around.
Have a good one. Amazing. Hey, do you think you could stick around a little bit longer? There's this one place down the street that... The hell is that? Hello?
Hey, it worked. You're him. You're the guy.
Hi, are you guys lost?
I don't think so. Someone sent us this address about an hour ago. That wouldn't happen to be you, would it?
Sorry, I don't know who did that, but that's not my number.
I think it's him. So you're the movie guy?
Movie guy?
Yeah. You seem to be the star of this.
Found it at the bar last night.
Yeah, where I was looking for my girlfriend. Talked to her this morning. Said she met a guy who could do all sorts of crazy movie stuff last night.
What? No, that's crazy. I don't remember saying anything like that to anybody last night.
So, it's like time travel?
A little bit. Sometimes I can do like flashbacks and stuff like that. So I guess it's kind of the same thing.
And that teleportation thing you used to get us here.
That was more like me messing around with the camera. You know, like scene transitions, stuff like that. Speaking of which, you want to just go sit down?
I'd love to, but I think there's still an hour wait.
Watch this.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Hey, do you like noir movies?
I've seen a few. What? Holy shit!
Yeah. There's a lot more where that came from too. I can do sepia, saturated, even Looney Tunes.
Wow, that's amazing!
It's pretty great, right?
I might have mentioned something to someone.
It wouldn't happen to have been to a girl named Roxy, would it?
I've never met a girl named Roxy in my entire life.
Well, that's weird. It says right here that you did. Last night.
Did you fuck my girlfriend?
So all of this is just a movie.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know about you, but I'm having a pretty good time with all this.
Oh, I am. So, tell me, what is this movie rated?
Oh, you mean like restrictions? Like G, PG, stuff like that?
Yeah, like, what can you show?
I don't know. I mean, there's some violence. I think some curse words, actually. But,
It says right here.
I know what it says!
Gentlemen, we can talk this out, can't we?
Oh, we're gonna have a real long talk. You're gonna beat him to death, or should I make him do it himself?
I wouldn't be messing with that.
Already did. How do you think we got here?
That would explain the title card.
I like that. His idea. Saw the movie a long time ago.
Yeah, T.W. Griffith would be proud.
Shut up! I don't understand that reference.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm sure if you have a few minutes, he could explain it to you.
Oh, very funny, pal. Hey!
Huh?
How many locks does this guy have?
Funny enough, I don't have any. Thank God for sound editing.
Hey, it says here that there's no locks. Are you
Shit.
fucking kidding me?
I can't take both these guys. Unless I remember my convenient daily workout routine.
History repeats itself. Try and you succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dream.
Oh God, muscle strain. Oh, just do the thing.
Now you're the best around, and nothing's gonna ever.
Okay, I can do this. All right, come on.
Hold on. What? We can make him do anything with this script. Why don't we just have him drop dead? Oh, that's actually a good idea.
No.
Huh. Can't believe that worked.
Me neither. I want to see what else this thing can do.
Hell yeah. You know, I think there's a lottery ticket with my name on it in that script.
Yeah? I think I got one too.
Yeah.
Hey!
What the hell? I thought you killed him!
I did! I don't know. Oh, okay, so we killed him last page, but he has more dialogue and more scenes.
Guess that explains it. Doesn't make much narrative sense though.
Shut up! How do we get rid of him?
You don't, assholes. This is my movie.
If we go through each individual page, we can kill him on every page if we tie him down or something.
Ah, just hold him down, eh? Roll credits, asshole. You like that one?
It's pretty good for you.
For me? What do you mean?
Fantastic.
Hey, so I was. Oh my god.
Hey,
What the fuck happened?
I messed up.
No shit.
Hey, so, do you need me to go, or?
Fuck. I'm sorry. That would be good. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Shut up. Do you mind if we?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Need any help of some kind?
I think I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you, though.
Okay. I'm around if you need me.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no big deal.
He seems nice.
Yeah. He's pretty great so far.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah. Thanks. So, what the fuck happened?
They got the script.
What?
I slept with that woman. She seemed nice.
Those mobsters? They got the script?
Yeah, they came to my house, tried to kill me. Kind of did at one point. It was weird.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I couldn't take them. I bought myself some time, but as soon as they get their hands on something to write with,
How long do you have before they come back?
no idea.
Fuck, Ross. I'm so sorry. We were really hitting it off, and I guess I didn't even notice the script when we came back here.
No, don't apologize. It's my fault. I tried to play God. It just got freaked out by morality and shit. Got myself into a situation I couldn't get out of. Like you said, couldn't even keep it in my pants. And now I'm here, bleeding all over your apartment. Just because I had to go nuts. You know?
But,
No. This is on me. I should have thought this all out.
guess I can't argue with that.
Yeah, I'm kind of an asshole.
You're a huge asshole.
There's not much time left. I don't even know where to begin.
Well, guess you learned your lesson.
I'll say.
So do you want to just end it?
What do you mean?
All of this. Who knows what they can do with this script? How insane they can make it. If you have all this power, then why don't you just end it before they get the chance?
No. I need to fix this.
Ross.
And then I'll end it. I'm not leaving this without following through on my mistakes. It's not fair. Who knows, I might not get another chance at this. What's the point otherwise?
So what are you gonna do?
I don't know. Honestly, I was hoping you'd have an idea.
Got nothing. My advice, though, get creative.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. Thank you.
Now get the fuck out of here and fix your shit.
You see? All you had to do is change the scene headings and show up wherever you want.
Huh? Who knows movies better than the Don?
Huh, that actually worked.
What gave you any indication that it wouldn't work?
Hey,
Get him! I'll make sure he can't leave the building.
Damn, they changed the seat headings. Shit.
Hold on. What the hell? Get him!
I'm gonna need that back.
Screw off, kid. This is ours now.
Fine. Ah, my eyes! Get him! The script! Get the script! Get it!
Loop around his left hand.
I got it.
His other left hand.
I got it.
Okay. Are we all set?
Yes.
No, boss.
No more of that weird camera or light shit?
No, boss.
There's no inner monologue here you can use to get out of here either. Good. Jesus Christ, you're a pain in the ass. Nothing you can do now, though. It's almost a shame.
Oh well. I guess now you'll just have to watch me kill you one page at a time. What's this? Narrator helps Ross? Try to add a narrator? How is that going to accomplish?
How do you think that's gonna help? We got you this time, huh? Why don't you say something?
You dumb? You're dumb.
I guess this is the end, Ross thought to himself.
What the hell?
But wait, he continued. Maybe there's still one more way out of this.
How is he doing that? I don't know. There's no dialogue for a narrator.
It's impossible.
He had to think fast. Time was running out.
All he did was scribble a note in there. This doesn't make sense.
But then he realized. He realized.
Wait a minute.
He realized the ropes were loose. And he could break out of them. Like, easily. Yeah, okay.
My God. The narrator is improvising. Stop him!
I'm gonna need that back. Just do this.
Hello?
Hey. I did it.
Thank God. You okay?
Yeah, I am. Actually.
Well, good.
Yeah, so, did you call that guy back?
We have another date on Friday.
Awesome. It's, good to know I didn't completely screw that up for you.
No. Guess not. So, are you...
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I might, hang out for a little bit. Just, see what it's like between the scenes. You know?
Do what you need to do.
Yeah. Who knows, maybe it'll be you next time.
Oh, Christ, no.
Yeah, you're right, that would suck.
Like you didn't?
Yeah. So, maybe I'll see you around sometime.
I can't say it was a pleasure, but it was certainly interesting.
Okay. Take care.
You too.